A cold piece of metal. Heavy, rough, industrial. Something most people would see as ordinary or even useless. Now imagine that same metal transformed into a functional piece of furniture, into a bold design statement, into something that completely changes a space. Welcome to the world of ingenious metal furniture ideas. In today's video, you'll discover how raw metal becomes modern tables, chairs, shelves, benches, and creative interior pieces that blend strength, style, and innovation. This is not just furniture. This is engineering meets art. Metal furniture has one powerful advantage: durability. It lasts for decades. It resists time, pressure, and trends. But when creativity enters the process, metal furniture becomes more than strong. It becomes beautiful. In this video, we'll explore metal projects that prove you don't need expensive materials or factories to create impressive results. Many of these ideas can be built in a small workshop or garage, using basic tools, welding skills, and imagination. You'll see clever constructions, minimalist forms, and bold industrial designs. Projects that fit perfectly into modern lofts, garages, cafes, offices, and outdoor spaces. Some designs are clean and simple, others are rugged and raw, but all of them share one thing in common: smart thinking. This video is made for DIY lovers, metalworkers and welders, furniture makers, designers, and anyone who enjoys watching ideas turn into reality. As you watch, pay attention to the details, the joints, the balance, the way metal is combined with wood, glass, or concrete. These details are what turn a metal frame into real furniture. You'll notice how industrial materials can feel warm and stylish when designed correctly, how straight lines and solid structures create confidence in a space. Metal furniture is not about decoration only. It's about function first. Strong legs that support heavy weight, stable frames that don't move, surfaces that handle daily use without damage. That's why metal projects are perfect for workspaces, workshops, outdoor areas, commercial interiors, and modern homes. Throughout this video, you'll see ideas that inspire different skill levels. Some projects are perfect for beginners, with simple shapes and basic welding. Others are more advanced, using creative geometry and precision. No matter your experience level, you'll find ideas that spark motivation. Maybe you'll pause the video, sketch a concept, and start your own metal furniture project. What makes metal furniture truly special is freedom of design. Metal can be bent, cut, welded, reused. Old scrap metal can become a designer table. Industrial leftovers can turn into functional art. This approach saves money, reduces waste, and creates one-of-a-kind pieces. If you enjoy watching craftsmanship, this video is for you. If you're searching for inspiration for your next build, stay until the end. And if you appreciate strong, honest materials, metal will never disappoint you. As the video continues, you'll see ingenious metal tables, creative shelving systems, industrial chairs and benches, smart storage solutions, and bold furniture concepts you won't find